Hello everyone. So today let's discuss about the remedies that all have commented on my Instagram reel, and most of the answers were Staphylococcus aureus, Natromure, Sepia, and Ignitia. So somewhere all these four remedies there is suppression, right? So let's take one by one and differentiate their suppressions. So let's take first remedy, that is Staphylococcus aureus. So in Staphylococcus aureus there is main suppression of anger. So there is a line. It is that Staphylococcus patient is too dignified to rebel or to fight back or to show his anger. So just let's take an example. Someone shouted at Staphylococcus patient, "Hey, nonsense! You don't have anything to know what you are." Someone got angry and insulted Staphylococcus patient. But Staphylococcus patient has so much sensitivity to fight. Is so sensitive to those insults, and it makes him so angry, but he's too dignified, means he feels he's so respectful, and so it's so bad to give back that anger. So what happens, he keeps that anger and suppresses that anger, and the anger is so much that he suppresses that he shivers with that suppression of anger. His face becomes red, his ear becomes red, face becomes hot, and so much anger is filled, and he keeps on brooding. साले उसको दिखा दूंगा. He had told me this. How can he insult me? How he can insult me? I'm someone. But on face, on that moment of time, he is not able to express his anger. So this is the level of suppression of anger, suppression of emotions that happens in Staphylococcus aureus. Now let's take Ignatia. So main theme of Ignatia is shock. So what happens? So something dramatic, traumatic incident has happened in Ignatia's life. So for example, the patient used to love, that person used to love someone very strongly, and that passed away suddenly. Certain situation like the boyfriend betrayed, and or the girlfriend caught boyfriend texting to another girl, and she went into a state of shock, like how come this happened suddenly. Like she shatters. The main theme of Ignatia, that they shattered. So after that shock they just shattered, and as if like jameen खिसक गई पैरों तले. That is a state, and the shock is so much, no, it benumbs, and this is where there is suppression of that shock and that grief. Now let's take an example of Natromure. So Natromure is chronic of Ignatia. So similar situations of say betrayal. The main thing of Natromure is like betrayal, where she used to love someone and that guy suddenly left due to some XYZ, or betrayed, or something has happened that she feels a lot of grief. So main thing about Natromure is grief, and that too silent pent up grief that she is not able to express, and she keeps everything within herself without expressing that grief, and it's very chronic, and she dwells on past incidents, like why that follow this did to me, why he betrayed me, why he didn't marry me, or what was the thing that happened and he didn't marry, or he left. So they will just be sad in their own corner of in their own space, and just like always be absent minded, abstracted in those thoughts, brooding over those thoughts. This is now let's come to our the remedy that I prescribed for that case is sepia. So in the case that you watched and saw, that the husband was totally dominating at the female, and if she was not allowed to express her emotions, she was not allowed to do things that she likes to do or she wants to do, and and as I told, like totally sad, teary eyes. And if you read the Materemedic of sepia, is like telltale face. Like there is so much of those stories that she wanted to, for example, sepia women, like if you really want to listen to them and ask them, like they will tell like, doctor, I wished I would have pursued that career. Wished I would have got into this field, or I wished, like, there is so much domination and domination by the other side, say by authority, husband, or by religion. So domination can happen through many ways, and the main thing about CPI is like they are forced to undertake things which they don't intend and with which they don't like, and they have accepted that thing, and like they have just accepted that authority. Yes, this is my fate. They just keep on suppressing those emotions, and at one moment of time, at that moment of time, indifference comes, like whatever is happening in life, like the whole skin was dirty, right, of her, and still she was totally indifferent and was not expressing that pain, burning, scratching, itching. She was like totally sad and has accepted her fate, and husband was in telling so much, still she didn't utter a single word. She didn't wanted to retaliate. It was like, it's useless, this is my fate, this is what I am born, totally indifferent to everything. So this is sepia for you, and sepia had prescribed. So hope you have all enjoyed this video, differentiated, and if you want more such videos, I would like to hear from you and your views, how what you learned from this video, how you liked the what was the main learning of out of all four different views of suppression, and comment yes if you want more such videos. So see you soon in next video. Bye.